Okay, so on question 7, oops, did that wrong. Question 7, you notice that I've changed it. I know on the paper version it's a multiple choice question, but none of those multiple choice options are correct because I got rid of the word quarterly or annually and I changed it to quarterly. According to the chart that we already made in class, that would be 4 times a year. So the n value is already 4. Plus, when you see this phrase compounded quarterly, that's instantly telling you we're using this one. Remember, well, once you get to the last 2 questions, you'll realize when we use the other formula. But now we won't because we haven't talked about it yet. So, how much do I have to start with? Well, there's my principal. My interest rate is 0.03. We know the time is 5 years. So it looks like, oops, erase. We have 1350 times 1 plus 0.03 divided by 4. Remember, your exponent needs to be in parentheses. 4 times 5. You let the calculator do the heavy lifting. And see if I can split screen so you can copy that down. One check-in here. I'm going to pause for station. Okay, I'm back. Time to go to the calculator. 1350, parenthesis, 1 plus 0.03 divided by 4. Come over to the right, get my end parenthesis, use my caret above my 6 to use the exponent, or if you want to use the A to the B button, that'll do the same thing. And then parentheses, 4 times 5. Now, if you already know 4 times 5 is 20, you can just type 20. That'll work too. And it looks like we get 15.67 and 59 cents. Folks, they are going to round down. They are not going to give you the extra penny. But that being said, remember, if you're willing to show your work and you decided you were going to just follow conventional rounding rules and you did this, I'm not going to argue with you. If you said 1568, which is totally unrealistic, but you rounded it to the nearest dollar, as long as you show me your work, I'm not going to argue with you on the rounding issue. So, that takes care of that one. All right, let's go to the next one. Question 8. So, it looks like my principal, $6,000. Interest rate, 0.08. Boy, that is a terrible looking R. Okay. Compounded monthly, which means I know we're using this formula. N equals 12. And time of 19 years. Wow. My T and my equal sign just all blended together. So now we're going to do 6,000. 1 plus 0.08 over 9. Oops, 19, 12. I'm getting my time and my n value mixed up. And then parenthesis 12 times 19. So we're going to jump over here and edit this 6,000. 1 plus 0.08, 0.08 divided by 12 over to the right. Use my caret to jump up and put an exponent in here. 12 times 19. And I'm looking like $27,295.31. Once again, if you decided to round it to 32, you'd be fine. If you decided just it was $27,295 because you rounded to the whole dollar, you'd be fine, as long as you show your work. Show the equation. Don't just throw answers at me and expect me to give you the full credit, because I don't play that game. And neither should you. So anyway, that takes care of 7 and 8, which seem to be the missing problems that I didn't have in a video for some strange reason. I don't know. There you are now.